Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Jobscan and Resume. Jobscan and Resume tools serve different purposes in your job search. Jobscan is a great tool that helps you match your resume to job descriptions to improve your chances of getting interviews. It checks how well your resume fits a specific job and gives clear tips to improve it. This makes it very helpful for getting past applicant tracking systems used by many employers. Its free plan starts at $0, the quarterly plan for $89.95 per month, and the monthly plan for $49.95 per month. On the other hand, Resume offers easy-to-use templates for creating professional resumes and cover letters. It provides a simple, guided process to help you showcase your skills and experience. While it's great for quick resume building, it lacks advanced customization options for more detailed designs. It offers a 7-day trial for $295. $44.95 for 6 months, and $74.95 for 1 year. In my opinion, Jobscan is ideal for optimizing resumes for specific jobs, while Resume.io is best for quickly creating professional resumes. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.